Twinset is a fashion company, an Italian fashion company. It's a fairly sized company with 200 millions of revenues. So we have retail and franchising, wholesale, digital, directly owned and indirect digital marketplace. We started evaluating the option of changing our CPM solution, migrating from the one that we had, when we were starting to be in need of making changes to the controlling model. And the solution that we employed didn't really let us do that. It was not so flexible as the business is. We employ a very vertical ERP, which is meant and made for the fashion industry. That's bound to manage all the supply chain and the order to cash and also invoicing process. And so CPM solution should not overlap that. So we were thinking about going on with our solution that was Oracle Hyperion. And then we looked out for SAP VPC and Tagetik. We came with the Tagetik solution pretty fast because of this kind of flexibility and suitability to be a part of a composable ecosystem rather than finding, I would say, an ecosystem integration such as the one solutions like Oracle or SAP are built upon. So in our ecosystem, all important data are catalyzed into a data warehouse, and that's the stage where anything that's related with reporting and performance has to connect. So it has to be built upon that, because then we can leverage taxonomies, models, and the way we are made from a data perspective. The first thing that made me breathe more likely than before was how fast we were in building up the new data model that, of course, had to be built. Of course, we leveraged the way we are made. From a user point of view, surely that users are able to manage the solution by themselves. Give the users the freedom and also the responsibility to launch their flows or to manage their model without always having to rely on the IT. What I would suggest to somebody that is thinking about going that way is, of course, do it because you want to have everything that concerns CPM in one solution that has to be an auto, self-consistency. Having a solution who's not able to adapt will bring you in a situation where you will make the solution do some things, and you will export data and you will wrangle them on spreadsheets. You cannot kill Excel, but you can use it for what's really needed, which is not complementing your solution if it doesn't do what you want.